Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Mickey Mouse telephone, and it has the 210 Trimline handset. These were very good telephones, and people really like them. They want to have them repaired, and they are highly collectible and very sought after. This unit has an issue. There is a lot of static in the handset. It looks like that maybe in the past the handset cord was replaced, and that was not the issue. We want to go ahead and troubleshoot the main PC board of the 210 Trimline handset. We also want to resolder that main PC board for any bad solder connections. We will be troubleshooting the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs on this Mickey Mouse telephone with a 210 Trimline handset, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this amplified pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And we have an amplifier back by the video, and it has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And I'll go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, we're going to walk through our numbers. You'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to go ahead and end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that Mickey is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
enter the time and temperature. No need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, March 16th. The current time, 4:24 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool Mickey Mouse telephone with a 210 Trimline handset has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Sue and she can enjoy Mickey once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.